everyone, welcome back. Is Pixel for refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and let the list fully load. This shows you exactly which apps are taking most space. Tap offload a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the apps but it keeps documents and data. Also check photos and messages since large photo libraries and old messages attachments are common hidden hogs. Once you freed up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store, search for PixelFlow, and then try reinstalling or updating PixelFlow again. If the error persists even with free space showing, restart your iPhone completely, since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears the stock storage cache. So all you've got to do is free up storage in iPhone storage, offload unused apps, and restart if needed. PixelFlow installs and updates cleanly, and that's it. Subscribe.